Well, you might be wondering why crypto is currently dumping right now. Everything is pretty much in red, as you guys can see right here on my screen. If we have a look right here, Trump-backed pending bill to avert government shutdown fails House vote. So obviously there is a government shutdown happening right now, and pretty much crypto is panicking. You guys can see right here, everything is pretty much in red. The crypto bubble is deep in red right here. Right before Christmas, things are absolutely getting destroyed. In the past week, only a few coins are actually making it, such a fart coin. I mean, why is fart coin making it? And we got BitGet right here, exchange up 25% on the last week. But overall, guys, in the last 24 hours, things are pretty much bleeding, except for two coins. We got Move up 2.7%, and we got Fartcoin exploding somehow. So obviously very interesting. By the way, if you guys do want to join my Patreon, I mean, you guys could get daily signals, risk management, stop losses, of course, because I know a lot of you guys got wrecked. $1.1 billion liquidated right here. If you guys don't want to get liquidated, make sure you guys join my Telegram. Make sure you guys join my Discord. You guys can see right here, I did call a short on Doge right here. And of course, the take profit was sitting at 30 cents. If I have a look right here at Doge, you guys can see that my call was approximately sitting at 41 cents. It was right here, and guess what happened? You probably would have made money on the way down, but of course, you know, that's only if you're in my group and only if you're in my Patreon. If you're not, that's okay. But this probably would have saved you a lot of money. So anyways, having a look at some coins, I do want to start off with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin's a leader, as we know. And we could see right here, obviously, that Bitcoin is at support. So this is one of the support level. If you guys remember, I did call Bitcoin was in a bearish divergence. So if we have a look right here, the relative strength index, you guys can see right here, Bitcoin was making higher highs on the charts, and pretty much it was making lower highs on the stochastic RSI or the regular RSI. So this is typically known as a bearish pattern, and I did call this indicator or this thing to happen right here. You know, just about a week ago, and you know, unfortunately this thing did go up. I did get stop loss, but we did get, you know, tanked, and we did come back down in the end. But pretty much that's what's happening right now for Bitcoin. So it looks like we did find some support right here. The big question is, where will Bitcoin go? Well, guess what? If Bitcoin doesn't you know, if Bitcoin does fail to break and hold the support, we're most likely going to come back and retest this area sitting at $87,000. And if that doesn't happen, we could come back all the way to as low as $73,000. So I would highly be careful. Watch your leverage. Don't be over leveraged, guys, because things can get really dirty very soon. Another bullish thing that I could bring up is right here, you know, Bitcoin did have a nice little bounce off the 50 moving average, which is, you know, pretty good. So this is the 50 moving average right here. We did have a nice little bounce. If I have a look right here at the EMA ribbons, we know, guys, that, you know, EMA ribbons are typically bullish, and it looks like we did come back down and retest these exponential moving average. Now, you guys remember the last time this happened, right? Here, let me just remove the indicator and re-put the EMA ribbons just to make it a little bit more clean. We know historically, every time we essentially come back and retest these EMA ribbons, we usually fly back up. If we have a look right here on the weekly time frame, the EMA ribbon are literally sitting at $80,000. So can Bitcoin come down to as low as $80,000? Maybe. And then you have crypto guys such as, you know, KDA dumping. If you guys have beautiful retest, by the way, on the exponential moving average for KDA, which is pretty bullish. I mean, the weekly candle fully, and we fully had a nice little reverse on the exponential moving average, which is pretty good. But if we have a look right here, you guys can see that I did mention this inverse head and shoulder, or regular head and shoulder right here on KDA, and I told you guys to be careful. If you guys do follow me on X, I mentioned multiple times to be careful for KDA. I know a lot of people were a little bit hyped about KDA, but you know, I said this right here on December 12th. I said, and KDA, you had a lot of time, was staying at $1.45. I said KDA is in the head and shoulder. I don't typically like to be bearish on KDA, but if you saw my video yesterday, I told that KDA could be forming right and shoulder. And if not, then we could essentially continue to, if it doesn't continue, to the upside. And that was the right shoulder that it pretty much formed right here. And guess what happened? This thing absolutely tanked. And of course, you know, the whole dump with Bitcoin absolutely accelerated this dump, which is really unfortunate. But pretty much that's what's happening right now for KDA. And you know, overall, that is my short update. I mean, there's not really anything else to say. I mean, I know a lot of you guys want me to look at Veracity and Terra Luna Classic and whatnot, but you know, even Pepe is looking not good. It's not looking good, but obviously, This could definitely be a good buy opportunity for Pepe, but you know, Pepe does look good right here. I don't know if we're going to come down this low, but we're going to have to see how this daily candle closes, or even the weekly candle closes, and how the government shutdown news turn out to be. But we're going to have to see. If you guys do like this video, and if you guys do want to join my Patreon, make sure you guys pretty much click on the link in the description below. I think this could save you a lot of money, even though you do have to pay. Anyways, if you guys do like this video, don't forget